First prepare 400 grit sandpaper, towel and Phillips screwdriver. Before cleaning carbon brushes, the machine must be shut down and all electrical power disconnected, and then take out the water pan. Take out the wastebasket underneath. Next use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws here. This is the carbon brush. This is the collector ring. First, use sandpaper to polish the collector ring. In the meantime, you can turn burner manually. Sand the collector ring until it is smooth. After sanding, use towel to wipe the surface of it until it is clean and free of carbon powder. Then use small piece of sandpaper to sand carbon brushes. First pull the carbon brushes out by pulling on the 2 wires. Then put the sandpaper through the gap between the brushes and the ring. Finally, pull the sandpaper from side to side to sand the carbon brushes. After sanding, wipe off the carbon powder with a towel. Finally, put the cover back on and tighten the screws.